Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer door lock problems and the likely reasons behind them. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Door lock problems in the Ford Explorer are commonly described as doors failing to lock or unlock, locks working intermittently, remote key fob commands not responding, or individual doors behaving differently from others. Verified owner reports, service information, and repair data show that door lock-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with variation depending on body electronics design, mileage, and usage. One verified and frequently reported cause involves door lock actuator failure. Over time, internal actuator motors can wear out or fail, leading to slow response, intermittent operation, or complete loss of locking function on one or more doors. This issue is commonly noted in higher mileage vehicles. Another confirmed cause is wiring-related issues within the door or door hinge area. Repeated door opening and closing can stress wiring harnesses, potentially leading to broken or damaged wires that interrupt power or signals to the lock actuator. Owners have reported locks working intermittently or only from certain controls in these cases. Key fob and control-related concerns have also been documented. Weak key fob batteries, communication issues, or faults within the body control module may affect lock operation across multiple doors. These issues can vary by model year and electronic system configuration. Mechanical lock mechanism wear is another verified factor. Internal latch components can become stiff or worn over time, especially if exposed to moisture or dirt, which may prevent smooth locking or unlocking even when the actuator is functioning. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include software-related body control behavior, moisture intrusion into door components, or sensor-related issues affecting lock status detection. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include replacing faulty door lock actuators, inspecting and repairing damaged wiring, replacing key fob batteries, lubricating mechanical lock components, and performing electronic diagnostics or software updates when applicable. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that Ford Explorer door lock problems are often isolated to individual doors rather than system-wide failure, and many cases are resolved through actuator or wiring repair rather than extensive electrical work. However, experiences vary by model year and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Explorer door lock problems are typically linked to actuator wear, wiring issues, or control-related faults. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.